Hello students, we will continue the story of Don Quixote and the windmills. Now you see here, as he raised his horse forward, means as the Don Quixote started his horse to take forward, the windmills rose and the sails began to move. As he was going forward, so the windmills rose. The wind rose. Wind rose means the wind started blowing in great speed. So the sails began to move very fast. Do not run away from me, cowards. Means he is telling, cowards, do not run away from me. There is only one knight here. Means I am only alone. I am only one. Yet he is brave enough to attack you all. Though I am alone and I am here alone to fight with you, and you are 30 of them are standing there. So please don't run away from me. I am alone and I am ready to attack you since I am brave enough. Move your arms as much as you like. Means he is telling to windmills, thinking that they are giants. He is telling, move your arms as much as you can. You will not stop me, but you cannot stop me. When he struck the moving sail, Don Quixote's lance broke and he was thrown off his horse. As he struck the moving sail, means as he put his lance or then his lance broke and he was thrown down from the horse. Now Sancho Panza is coming and consoling him. Sir, are you okay? Now Don Quixote is because he is fallen down, so he came and making him get up and consoling him. Lance means a weapon with a long wooden handle and a pointed metal, and that was used by people fighting on horses in the past. In the past days, the weapon which was used to fight is called lance. Sancho Panza hoped that Don Quixote would have learned a lesson from the fall. From this fall, the Don Quixote might have learned a great lesson. This Sancho Panza is thinking. Oh sir, didn't I warn you that they are only windmills? Already, as they saw them, Sancho Panza told Don Quixote that they are windmills, they are not the giants. But Don Quixote did not listen to Sancho Panza and he went on his own way. Be quiet, Sancho. I think that a magician turned those giants into windmills so that I would not be able to conquer them. But in the end, with my good sword, I shall win. Means again, he is stubborn and he is sure that they are giants, and magician came and magician have turned this giants into windmills so that I will not be able to conquer them, and at last somehow I will fight with them with my good sword and surely I will win. So this determination he has got in him. So he didn't believe the Sancho Panza. Sancho realized that nothing could be done about his silly master. Means now after all this, after telling all this reality, Don Quixote is not willing to believe the Sancho Panza. So Sancho Panza is thinking that with his master nothing can be worked out. And so they set off once more in search of the misadventure. Once again they went in search of misadventure, that is the accident. They met with an accident, since Don Quixote did not listen to Sancho Panza. Therefore, as a result, they met with an accident. Okay. So this was the story of Don Quixote and the windmills. So dear students, once again you go through the lesson and we will start the question answer. Thank you.